So here we have our box from our previous scene with our concrete texture on it. And if I select it and I go to the Modify tab and choose UVW map from our list, we can now control how this map is displayed. So the first thing we're going to do is select box, and we can see how each one of these mapping types changes the texture, how the texture is displayed. So we can choose box, and let's just make this 1000 by 1000 by 1000. And if I hit 1 on the keyboard, or you can click here and go to Gizmo, you can see we can actually move this around. So we can line up corners. We can rotate this, and we can also scale it. You can also choose the alignment here, and that is how to quickly UV map an object.